A question I get asked all the time is, how long does it take to get really good at cold approaching? You are Ukrainian?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see. I wanted to say I like your hat and socks.
Thank you.
Is good. Yeah, I know a few words in Russian. I know Privyet, Babushka. Yo, it's Coach Nav in Prague, baby. And to answer that question, it's kind of like asking me, how quickly can you get good at any sport, right? And of course, that depends on so many different aspects. What you've been doing for the last couple of years of your life, how you grew up, what kind of job do you have? Do you have a social job, or are you sitting in front of a computer, which a lot of us are doing nowadays? You know, we're just in front of a computer and not really interacting with people. So of course, all of these things have an effect on how quickly you can get good at cold approaching. So in terms of approaches, I would recommend to do 20 a week. You know, that should be the minimum. If you want to get good in a year, you really got to be, you know, doing a lot of approaches. And what's going to happen is the more approaches you do, the quicker you're going to get to the end result. If you're getting feedback on your approaches. If you're not getting feedback, then yeah, you know, you could do 100 a week and you're still not going to get good. So you have to play it smart, right? This is the most important thing. You need to work intelligently, not working hard. Because I saw so many guys back in the day, they will be out at 8 a.m. approaching. After work, they would do lots of approaching. On the weekend, so many approaches, and they would do double amount of approaches that I would do. Some of these guys, they did it for years and they didn't get anywhere. They weren't getting any results. And the reason that is because they weren't really reflecting on the approaches, or they didn't get any coaches to reflect on the approaches. That's what you want to be doing. You know, you want to save time, because then you could make all the money back that you paid to the coach, right? So that's the intelligent way of doing it. You know, you probably heard of Warren Buffett say that the best investment you could do is the investment in yourself. And this is what you're doing with coaching, right? You're investing in yourself. If you want to book coaching with myself here in Prague, go to the description now and send me a message on WhatsApp. And also, if you got any sticking points, let's say if you're going out there and you're getting numbers, but the numbers are flaky, what I want you to do is to check out my quiz, because I'll send you a quick guide. Within 2 minutes, you're going to receive a guide, and then I'm going to send you a voice note. Once you leave your WhatsApp number, I'm going to send you a personalized voice note, depending on your quiz answers, to fix your sticking point. All right, I'll catch you next video. Nav.